Multiplying algebraic terms. You don't require any new knowledge to try these questions, so you can pause the video and give examples 9 and 10 a go yourself first. 9a. X multiplied by x multiplied by x is x cubed. Part B, 5x times 7x. It might be worth breaking this down first of all to think what you actually have. You've got 5 times x times 7 times x. You can multiply the 5 and the 7 together. That will give you 35. And you can multiply the x and the x together, and that gives you x squared. So you don't need to write out it broken down like that, but that's just to show you that they are simply 4 things multiplied together. So you can reorder it and do the 5 and the 7 first, and then do the x and the x together afterwards. Similarly in part C, because they're all just multiplications, you could reorder that to be 2 times 5 times 7 times y times y times y. 2 times 5 times 7 is 70, and then y times y times y is y cubed. And part D, 5x times 2y times 3x. Again, if we reorder that we could do 5 times 2 times 3 first, and then do the x times the x, because they're like terms, and then times by the y at the end. 5 times 2 is 10 times 3 is 30. The x times the x is x squared, and the y at the end is just on its own. You'll notice I just put the answers, just put the letters together, because that means that they're multiplied just like at the start. Example 10. Write down a formula for the volume of the cuboid. Well, the volume of a cuboid is the 3 dimensions multiplied together. So the length times the breadth times the height. So that would be y is the length times x is the width times x is the height. And if we simplify that, the x times the x will give us x squared. And then multiply that by y, we can just write y beside it, because that will mean multiply.